Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today I'm going to be explaining how we are going to be setting up our forms on Go High Level so that it will be recording anybody that orders as a purchase on Facebook, so that we'll be able to link both of them together. For us to be able to do that, we would have to come to our Facebook Ads Manager. In the previous classes, we explained how to access our Facebook Ads account and how to get to our Facebook Ads Manager. So inshallah, once you are there, you click on these three bars that has all tools there. So once you click on it, what we are interested in is Event Manager. So we click on Event Manager. So once you've clicked on Events Manager, it's going to load a page, and once it's done loading, just here you see something that has ID. So it's this ID we actually need from Facebook. So you copy it. So I'm going to highlight it like this, and I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go to my Go High Level account. So now that I've copied it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Sites, and I'm also going to go to Forms. So I'm not clicking on Forms here, I'm just putting my cursor on it. So once your cursor is on it, it will pop up. So you now come to Builder, then you click on the Builder. So once you click on the Builder, so you now come to the forms. There are going to be a number of forms in your Go High Level account. However, depending on the products you are selling, you will see the order form. In my case, it's Skill W33 order form. If your product is M9, it's going to be M9 order form. If your product is the Podaga watch, it's also going to be the Podaga order form. So you come there and you are going to click Edit. So once it's done loading, we're now going to make a few settings. So we're going to come to this icon here. So I'm going to click on it, and I'll go to Options. So once you click on Options, so what we want to do is we want to paste that ID we copied here. So we're going to right click and we're going to paste it. So we've pasted that ID here. So what it does is that it tells, with that, Facebook will be able to access this form, and it will be able to be notified whenever we have an order. The second thing we want to do is that on page view is page view, we'll leave that as it is. But on form submission, it has submit application. We want to change that to purchase. So you click on it and you change it to purchase. Do you understand? So those are the two things we need to do. First, you are going to paste the ID here. The second thing is that you are going to change the on form submission to purchase. Once you are done doing that, you are now going to click on save. So once you are done saving that, it means that you have actually optimized your form to be able to record sales and send it to Facebook. So Facebook knows when you have a sale. So this is supposed to be done by the person in charge of the website orders and ads for each of the groups. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it easy for us, and He forgives us our shortcomings, and He makes it better understood and said. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.